good morning, well, good afternoon. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Honey. I do lifestyle vlogs, beauty and fashion videos. If you guys are new and you're into that stuff, please hit that subscribe button down below. If you are a returning subscriber, welcome back. To all, happy New Year's. This is my first video of the new year. I said happy New Year's, didn't I? It's happy New Year because we've been stressing that ass out. It is happy New Year. Happy New Year to everybody. Welcome back to my channel. So I will be doing a vlog today because I have like this video that I have to shoot with some Bath and Body Works stuff, like a whole bunch of shit that I have here for you guys. I will be filming that soon. That was supposed to be done since last year, but we're not talking about last year right now. So welcome back to the channel, guys. Today I just wanted to take you guys along with me to an appointment that I have. So for those of you who don't know, which I'm pretty sure most of you guys don't, but for my OGs that are on here, that are in my real life as well, you guys know that I suffer with like facial hair. I have like a very old video that I have on my channel. When I went to the dermatologist, I told you guys that I have like hairs that grow in on my cheeks, some growing under my chin, and they're just not flattering. And I told myself going into 2022, I'm not about to deal with that. Like, I got new things in my life. I'm happy and I want to feel happy about myself and about my appearance and all of that. So I decided to get laser therapy. That's one of the things I gifted myself for Christmas or my birthday, whichever one. So I'm actually going to this place in Port Chester, that's in Westchester, New York. It's called Gentle Touch Laser Therapy. I actually have one right in my area, but they don't open on Mondays, and my days off are Mondays. So yeah, I'm going to that one. It's a little bit of a drive, but my appointment is for 4 o'clock. Right now it's like 12:35 on a Monday. But yeah, I just got home. This is my little intro or whatever. I just got home. I'm finna get something to eat because I'm hungry. I got up super late and I'm like so hungry. So yeah, let's see what we're gonna eat. My Christmas tree is still up. It's what, the 10th? This is technically the day you're supposed to take your Christmas tree down. But I'm not doing that today. It's a hard no for me. But yeah, I'm going to get something to eat. So I'll see you guys in my kitchen. Alright guys, so we're in the kitchen. In all honesty, I don't think I want anything crazy to eat. I'm gonna be 100% honest. I'm hungry, but I'm not in the mood to do anything. So I think I was gonna have like some wheat bread with Nutella or something, but then I'm like, I don't want to do that. So I think I'm just gonna have some cereal. Yeah, I think I'm just gonna have that. My morning, well, I keep saying morning, is technically afternoon. My morning thing is a little bit chill and laid back because, you know, like I said, it's my day off. I kind of just like it chill. So I'm gonna eat, and then I'll probably just get washed up and start to get ready and stuff. But yeah, I'm gonna eat some cereal. You guys see? So, oh, you guys see my hand? I took the nails off one of my hands and kept the other. How ghetto, right? I don't care. But yeah, Trez decided to, this is so off topic. Trez decided to get dreads, so I had to do them properly. So I needed one hand free from nails because he has like really kinky hair, but besides the point. So yeah, I'm gonna have cereal. Obviously, you guys know this one is mine. That is Trez's because, yeah. So I'm gonna have Honey Nut Cheerios. And you guys, I actually seasoned my meat to cook today for dinner. I actually seasoned it like 2 days ago. I was supposed to cook it for Sunday dinner, but we didn't have that. So today I'm gonna be cooking some oxtail that's been like marinating in the refrigerator for like 2 days. This shit is about to slap so hard. So I just marinated with the regular, it smells so good, with the regular seasonings and shit. And Oh, I'm sorry for cursing. Like, yeah, just the regular seasonings, and I put some gravy browning and Worcestershire sauce on there, and then I'm just gonna fry it up, stew it down, have it with some rice and peas. You know the vibes. But yeah, I'm gonna do my cereal, and yeah, I'm gonna get back to you guys after I'm done eating and shit. Sorry for cursing. And I'm gonna have coffee as well. But yeah, I'll see you guys in the next. Alright guys, so I started to cook my, I said I'm gonna cook my oxtail early because oxtail, like if you island, you know oxtail take forever. It takes a mad long time to cook to get that shit soft and nice. So basically I just cut up some purple onions, some sweet peppers, green and I want to say orange or yellow, and I have some dried thyme because I don't have fresh thyme, and I have some garlic paste because I don't have garlic. And I'm just gonna put some avocado oil inside of my Dutch pot once it gets a little bit hot and nice, and then I'll throw the oxtail in. My battery is looking to die, so yeah, I'm gonna just do that real quick. I want everything inside and fry up and nice. I'll show you guys the vibes. But yeah, this is my oxtail. It's not a lot because obviously I have a small family, so it's not a lot of pieces. It's literally like about maybe like 14 or 13 pieces in there, so that's why I don't have a lot of veggies cut up. But yeah, it's a gusta lap same way. I'm gonna change my battery, y'all. Alright guys, so it was about like, I want to say about 20 minutes that the oxtail was kind of doing its thing, frying up, springing its own water. And then I just went in with the same bowl that I had it seasoned in. I went in with some water and I added it to the pot, and pretty much this is the gravy consistency, well, not consistency, look I'm looking for. By any means, I am no chef. This is how I do my oxtail personally. I add a little bit more stuff to it, obviously, but this is not Jamaican oxtail. This is not your mama's oxtail. This is how me do my oxtail, and my oxtail turns out fine for my family. They like it. My man is about to try it, so this is how I do it, okay? If you want to try my recipe, that's cool. But if not, nobody come on them comments on them and say, oh, that's not how you do oxtail. So yeah, I'm now just gonna cover back the Dutch pot and let it do its thing. This should be, right now it's almost, it's past 1. This whole pot should be done maybe like about almost 3 with the boiling thing. So yeah, I'm gonna just chill out till then. I'm basically just gonna eat and relax, and I don't want to bore you guys with that dumb shit, so I'm just gonna eat my cereal and I'm just gonna be chilling. I'll probably take a little nap, and then I'll come back on the camera when my food is done and when I'm getting ready to leave. So I'll see you guys soon, and I'll see you guys at the laser therapy place. So you guys, I am going to watch this. I've been watching, not, of course y'all know I love Friends, but I've been watching Harry Potter, and I'm gonna continue because y'all know the vibes. For all you big Harry Potter fans out there, y'all know the vibes. So yeah, that's basically what I'm gonna be doing while I eat my cereal.
The assignment that had been given was to draw what you thought God looked like, and Tom had drawn a girl with a backward cap on a skateboard, and I just don't know how to say it. I just found this.
For the sake of progress,
Oh, I hated that
must be
twat.
discouraged.
You guys, I really grew up with this. I read all the books. I watched all the movies. I binged it the other day too. I'm like literally obsessed. This was really my thing. Put an owl in the comment section below if you guys were into Harry Potter. Because I was. I am.
You guys. Oh my gosh, I am such a simp, bro. Like things that you grew up with.
Alright guys, so I'm dressed fit for today. Just some sweats and a matching sweater to go with it. You guys, I have a sew-in. I haven't had a sew-in in like years, but I wanted to give my hair a break because I'm actually trying to grow it, so I got a sew-in. I must say though, this shit is so tight. It's crazy. But yeah, this is the baggy fit for the day. I gotta hold on because I'm gonna switch this really quick. I gotta show you guys if my face look kind of white, like overcast. I'm wearing like this day cream that makes my face look a little bit overcast, but obviously you guys know I can't wear makeup to this thing because I am gonna check out my face and all of that. But yeah, I wanted to show you guys my oxtails before I left the crib. They are done. They're on there for about 2 hours, 2 and some change. So I'll show you guys right now. Oh, it's all steamy. But yeah, you guys. See it there. Obviously, I added more stuff to it. I added, you know, some chicken bouillon, the fresh thyme, the thyme and all of that other stuff. But that's basically what I do with that. But I'm finna get out of here because I don't want to be late to this thing. And I guess I won't vlog when I'm on the road because I need to focus driving. But I guess I'll see you guys there. So yeah. Fortunately, guys, I couldn't do any filming in the laser place. This is just the lobby and this is all the footage that I got. So see the next clip for an explanation. Sorry. Hey guys, so I'm done. So as you guys heard, like I couldn't really, I don't know, ever since COVID, a lot of places don't want you to really film in the establishment. They just get weird about it. I asked her prior to coming if I could have just like took pictures or whatever, so it wasn't much to take pictures of. The place is really small. It's clean, it's nice. It's just one technician though, and she's so sweet. My procedure was really fast because I'm just doing my chin. I upgraded to my chin and lower chin. But yeah, it's my first experience with laser, and I'm not gonna lie guys, it's kind of wild. It felt like a poking with a needle sensation, but then a splash of water in it. I don't know, it's so weird. Like that's what I got, but then you could actually smell the hair like burning through, because you know it's a zap of light that goes to your hair follicles. And you know they educated you about like what's gonna happen. Everything is not gonna disappear right then and there. So I have 6 treatments. I have to go every 4 weeks, so every month I have to go. I have to refrain from using like stuff with like peroxide, glycolic, all of that stuff. So it's gonna be pretty difficult because I like to wash and cleanse and stuff, but I'll just get something gentle for my face. In the meantime, maybe a CeraVe or something. I'll make sure I read all that stuff to make sure that, because I don't want to have like a patchy skin. I'm supposed to stay away from sun as well. But yeah, that was it. That's the building right there. This is the building. It's on the 3rd floor. I wish I could have shown you guys more. On top of that, it's just me alone, so I wouldn't have had anybody to like film me or whatever. But then you guys know the COVID restrictions, you can't really be there. And the place was actually packed because it was me and 3 other girls. One you guys saw in the clip, but the others were outside, so it wasn't the best filming location anyways. But so far so good. I'll keep you guys updated on this, but for now I'm gonna drive home. It's pretty much rush hour, so I'm probably gonna meet some traffic. But yeah, I'll see you guys when I get in the house. Let's see if I can keep this vlog going. So you guys, I'm back in my neighborhood. I just parked. It's cold. I'm so tired, you guys. But yeah, I just want to say I'm back. I'm gonna go upstairs, finish cooking. It's already so dark, yo. But let's see what this kid of mine is doing, because he's hitting my jack right now. Oh my god, you guys. So I got in the crib and I'm so freaking tired. I'm sorry. So you guys see how my chin is? I feel like it doesn't hurt, but it's all red. It's weird. But my next appointment is 4 weeks from now. Judge is in his room. He's upset with me, so he won't come out to say hi. I am possibly going to take a little nap. I didn't take one earlier. I don't think I should take a nap. I'm just going to continue cooking. I'm going to be cooking rice for that meat that I cooked. And then I'm just going to kind of chill for the rest of the night. I think I'm going to edit this video, put it up, so you guys can have something to watch. And yeah, call it a day. You guys, I have such great things coming up for you guys. I know I'm starting school on the 18th of January. That's when winter break is over. I go back to school. I'm taking 5 classes. 5. Uno Tech 5 Bombonat class. So it's gonna be all crazy. But I really, it doesn't matter when, I'm gonna squeeze videos up in there, because like I already told my significant other too, like I want to have balance with work, school, Trez, and my YouTube channel, because we're both doing stuff that, you know, we have a passion for and we want to do. So yeah, we both came to that understanding that we gotta find time to fit those things in. But I have such a surprise to you. I'm gonna be vlogging. I don't care if y'all don't like it. Y'all better watch my vlogs. But I'm gonna be vlogging, and hopefully it's shit that it's not just contained to this house, this apartment, boring stuff, going places where people don't allow me to film, like Canberra. But yeah, I got a lot planned for you guys. The next video is probably gonna be the Bath and Body Works haul. I also have another review coming up soon. But yeah, I do have some things in motion for you guys. That if that's not the case, I'm definitely gonna be vlogging. But yeah, you guys, there's nothing much to do. I don't want to bore you with anything else of my night. I'm gonna cut this vlog right here. Yeah, if you're new, please subscribe to my channel. If you got this far into the video, might as well subscribe. I mean, you don't have to search for me no more. You just have me on your subscription, and click that bell to get notified, so when I do post videos, you're always in the know. You can check out my videos. You know, my old subbies, I love you guys. Thank you for sticking true. What am I saying? Sticking loyal and true, or staying loyal and true to your girl. You know the thing go. But yeah, I'm gonna keep this here, and I'm gonna I'm gonna take a nap. I'm tired. But yeah, guys, I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.